In this short tutorial, I will show you how to update Facebook on your Android device. Keeping your apps updated is important. It helps to fix bugs and adds new features. Updating Facebook is easy and only takes a few seconds. To get started, open up the Google Play Store and then tap on the search button at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the search bar up top and type in Facebook. Search it. Select Facebook from the search results. Now under the app name, you will see either Open or Update. If it says Open, that means you are using the latest version of Facebook and there's no need to do anything else. However, if it says Update, just tap on that button. When you tap Update, your device will start downloading and installing the latest version of Facebook. This process may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, you can open Facebook with all its new features and improvements. Remember to check for updates regularly to enjoy a better experience while using the app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.